How I received Resurrection. Installed some 26/12/12 rear tyres for now. Received some 19/7/8. Started tearing Resurrection down. My favourite part about the Wards, the frame is boxed in. The transaxle and gearbox is all one caged unit. Steering is extremely beefy. Lock 2300 with a right angle gearbox. Mud Stompin' Wards is officially dead. Doing a 4-inch front stretch. Three by 3 by 1/4 inch angle. Ended up dropping the engine mounts down 1.5 inches. The Yanmar fits perfectly. 6-inch mid-frame stretch. Exactly 72 inches long. Added onto the hood 4 inches with the original hood. Should work perfectly. Custom drive shaft. 28 by 650 by 16s up front. 30 by 10 by R12s Aqua Torques. She sits almost perfect. .52 inches wide. Stock exhaust header. Decided on a side stack instead. Bumper time. 3 by 3 by 1/4 inch angle. Six-inch stinger. Worn 2,500-pound winch. She fits perfectly. Front bumper looks so good. Perfect battery location. Had to remove the rear frame plate. Had to add onto the battery box location. Battery is finally mounted. Tinkering around with ideas for a rear bumper. Rear bumper, I decided on. I'll loom everything when it's time for paint. Tried making it clean and tidy. Everything is waterproof. Fuel tank fits perfect in the dash. Super happy with the location of everything. She's solid. Original fuel tank mounting rubbers. Decided to add them back on top. Original intake. Shame to modify it. Not much left of it. Barely enough room for an air filter. Hood clears everything perfectly. Needs a lot of bodywork now. Minor modification needed already. Straight sludge. Modified the stack. Don't mind it, won't blow back on my leg now. Ended up building a hood scoop. Sandable seam sealer. Needs some more sanding. Foot throttle built out of junk. Need to build throttle limits. Connecting rod from a Kawasaki 23 horsepower. Perfect shifter extension. Running boards took too long. Love how they turned out. pattern doesn't match. Had to add a electric fuel pump. New key switch also. I'll change it to synthetic rope eventually. New tie rods. Always packaged insanely well. Only tie rods I'll run, even on the 4-wheel drive cub. Beefy. Love how she's turning out. Steers so nice so far. Spoke too soon. Too much weight and leverage. Time for a custom front axle and steering. Stock front axle is 22 inches wide. Custom axle is 28 inches wide with 1-inch spindles. Over $70 here. 28 inches wide. 3-inch by 3-inch by 1/4-inch angle. 2-inch by 1/2-inch flat steel as a gusset. Got a sleeve, the center still. Slight difference. Had to rate bushing the front rims. Hopefully the last steering bar. She sits perfectly. Beefed up the steering pivot arm. Not a drift car, but turns decent. Might upgrade to a rack and pinion setup. Exhaust change number 3. Oops. Bent the drive shaft when she busted the rubbers. 1 step forwards, 3 steps backwards. New headlights. Love how they look so far. Plenty bright enough. Might make a new headlight plate. 1 U-joint is finally mounted. Rest in peace, puller. Mock-up of the new drive shaft. Clears everything, barely. Fully welded, almost perfectly balanced. Drilled and tapped the front nuts for a set screw so they don't come loose. finally put back together. Simple cable bracket for the kill cable. Works perfectly. She sits too perfect. Hood is fully mounted, finally. Easy hood pins. Holds the hood perfectly. New steering wheel installed, Amazon special. Finally, outside. She might stay ratty. Successful first test drive. Next video on it will be upgrades, unless something changes.